when you love something, right, and
Yeah.
you just want someone to watch it and be like, I hope they like it as much as I do. And like, you're just watching it and it's like, me very much like the Cockaboo Shack. And I'm like, this is very funny. And I look over and she's just like asleep. Like, no, she's like sitting up like fucking upright like that. I'm like, it couldn't be that bad. Like, fucking bore her.
Goofing off.
Got her phone in her hand like that.
What's worse, when they fall asleep or when they're on their phone?
When they fall asleep, I'd say.
That's worse. I feel like that you can't help that sometimes. Sometimes you doze off yourself. I remember me Meowfully used to doze off and I was like, how can anyone fall asleep sitting up?
Yeah, my granddad used to do that as well and just be falling asleep all the time. And you're like, we've loads of energy. Like, why is he just keep falling asleep?
Fall asleep. Yeah.
She's just falling asleep on the couch upright with the telly blaring. It's like that. Oh.